And welcome. Hey, I'm Laura, Canva Creator Ambassador here in the UK, bringing you lots of awesome different Canva tutorials, features, tips, and information to help you run your business more effectively, more visibility, quicker, and all that kind of lovely stuff. But today I want to show you something fun, something that has been there not long. It's still a new feature, so you may even not know this exists. But they have added, Canva have added some extra features to the image to text app. So I'm going to just click on create a design. We're going to go for Facebook post, for example. So you've got your design open, and then on the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to the app section, and you have the text to image app. Okay, so we are going to click use, and I'm going to use this app, and I'm going to show you a couple of new things they've added. So you can add in here your text to create your image. And then here you've got some inspiration and different styles that you want your image to be in. So a photo or a painting or 3D artwork, or you want to create it into a pattern or a lovely drawing, lovely with pets. But we also have this option here. Now this is new, square, landscape and portrait. Beforehand it was just square, but you now have landscape and portrait ratios as well. So I'm going to put here Labrador running in a field in the rain. Labrador. We have 2 Labradors. And then I'm going to select concept art, and I'm going to go for landscape. And then all I need to do is click generate image. Now this is where Canva's magic kicks in, and they will generate various different images for me. So I've got 4 different landscape images. If I click on one, it puts it into my design for me, and I can now use this in whichever way I would like to use it. But I've got this landscape format. I've got this one as well, which is, oh, that's a lovely one in the rain. Do you know, these would look really great in a children's storybook. But you have this option now. So it still gives you 4 images. You can click create again, and it will then find or create 4 new images for you to use. It's working hard with its magic. And it's given me 4 different options there. So there's another one. Lovely dog. Or you can click start over. But it's such a fantastic little thing. I'm going to click start over, and you can do this with any type of text. I think it's up to about 20 words you can put in. You can be quite specific on what you want it to show you. And then you've got the various different options. But having landscape and portrait, I think, is really great for our different uses that we can use this for. So that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I would love to see what you create. If you do create something, you can always pop it into my Facebook group. Just search for Create on Canva on Facebook, and then I'd love to see what you actually come up with. So there we go. That is it for today, guys.